Hello, everyone. Welcome back. We are getting into our sunrise meditation this morning. If any of you know, I was trying to have us, for yesterday, do a sunrise meditation together. I even tried to do live. So I'm going to play with that today. So maybe tomorrow I can do a live. I'm not sure. Technology is not the easiest for me. But if I can do a live, I would love to do a live. We'll see how things go. Other than that, how are you this morning? Let's do a little check-in with ourselves. How do I feel? What are my thoughts? Take that in and let's breathe it all out. Okay, we'll just breathe together for just a few moments, shall I say. So for this breathing, we will inhale through the nose and exhale out of the mouth. In attempt to calm the self, calm the body, and calm and relax the mind. So inhale through the nose, really try to fill up. And exhale, let it all go. Try to be gentle and smooth with your breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. And out. Three more rounds together. Inhale. Soft exhale. And just return to your normal breathing. If you'd like to have your journal nearby you so that after we're done with meditation, you can write down whatever you feel and whatever you're thinking. You can use your timer, but you don't have to. Today's meditation will be 7 minutes, and we will sit together for 7 minutes. I will bring you out of it and then send you off for your day. And we'll begin. Either sitting up with support, laying down. Ideally, you're sitting upright, back against the wall or back against pillows. Be as still as you can. And just be in the moment of you and all the deep levels of you. Invite movement back into your bodies. Maybe moving your wrists, fingers. Maybe there's a yawn. Stretching your legs. Ooh. Remembering keeping your eyes closed. I like to build heat. We'll still keep our eyes closed. One of the, One of the in the yoga practice, a part of the flow, we can open our eyes now, is we do the movement practice so that we can move the energies within our bodies. We have our masculine, our fire energy, and we have our feminine, our cooling energy within us, right? The masculines on the right side, the feminines on the left side. So it's balancing our right and left side energies. That is the purpose of the yoga practice, is to balance, to yoke together the two, this evenness, because we can get so caught up on one side. I'll say right now, I'm very much in my fire. So for me, it's always been the need for grounding, right? Bringing in more of the feminine. In this practice, we are working using the breath, using the mindfulness as we move, the awareness of where our body is, what is our body doing, just breathing through so we can just be in the present moment. And at the end of this practice comes the meditation. That is the ideal yoga practice, is it ends in a meditation. So it's like the practice continues, but we always end yoga class with just like, bye, Shavasana. But really, that's when it's time to do the meditation. So if you're feeling stiff and tight and sitting for meditation is your challenge, then consider doing some movement before you come to the meditation. You can take one of my classes. I definitely have classes for you to take. I have some 5-minute classes. I have some yoga flows. So just find a flow so that you can work out all of the little kinks and knots in the body so that you can come to the meditation practice and sit and be ready to be in stillness. All right, so that's a little pro tip for you. I will see you all here tomorrow. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day today. For all of us, namaste.